Number 1. 1978 Ford Ltd. Price: $5,500. Location: Hot Springs National Park, Arkansas, USA. This 1978 Ford Ltd. is a classic full-size American sedan that offers strong V8 performance, comfortable cruising, and a solid foundation for further restoration or enjoyment as a driver. Priced at $5,500, this vehicle represents excellent value for a rare classic that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in today's market. Powered by a 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission, this Ford Ltd. runs and drives great. The engine has been gone through and performs smoothly, starting easily and running like a sewing machine. According to the owner, performance upgrades include an MSD ignition system, aftermarket carburetor and breather, chrome valve covers, and a full custom exhaust system. The transmission has recently been serviced with a new filter, fluid, pan, and seal. The car features an updated air conditioning system that works properly, along with brand new tires, a new brake booster, and a new master cylinder. Overall mechanical condition is strong, making this Ltd. A reliable driver. Cosmetically, the vehicle does need a new windshield and has slight damage to the front fender, which is reparable with dent pulling and repainting. These issues have been reflected in the price. The seller notes that the car is very rare and comes with complete paperwork, though a title filing will be required. This is an excellent opportunity for a classic car enthusiast who appreciates vintage American cars and is willing to complete a few finishing touches. Number 2. 1954 Oldsmobile 88 two-door sedan. Price: $14,950. Location: Jonesboro, Arkansas, USA. This 1954 Oldsmobile 88 two-door sedan is a well-preserved classic American car that offers timeless styling, solid mechanical condition, and excellent drivability for its age. With 76,054 miles showing, this vehicle is best described as a quality driver that presents nicely and can be enjoyed immediately. Finished in an attractive off-white exterior with a gray interior, this Oldsmobile features classic 1950s design elements, including clean body lines, tasteful chrome accents, and stainless trim that remain in good condition. The chrome, trim, and stainless pieces show well overall, contributing to the car's strong visual appeal. Mechanically, this Oldsmobile 88 is in good running condition. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, a new radiator, and recently serviced brakes. The car is equipped with good tires and an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. All gauges are operational, and the windshield wipers function properly, which adds to its usability as a classic cruiser. As expected for a vehicle of this age, there are a few minor pings and dings, consistent with a driver-quality classic. These imperfections do not detract significantly from the overall presentation. At this time, the heater, radio, and horn are not operational. This 1954 Oldsmobile 88 is an excellent choice for someone seeking a classic car with character, originality, and dependable performance, whether for weekend drives, local shows, or casual cruising. Number 3. 1955 Mercury Montclair. Price: $45,800. Location: St. Peters, Missouri, USA. This 1955 Mercury Montclair is a beautifully restored mid-century American classic that combines luxury, performance, and rarity. Showing just 17,900 original miles, this vehicle has undergone a frame-off restoration completed in 1990 and remains in outstanding condition. Power comes from a 292 cubic inch V8, producing 198 horsepower, paired with a Mercomatic automatic transmission. Both the transmission and cylinder heads were completely rebuilt during restoration, with hardened valve seats installed at 14,000 miles. The car runs smoothly and reflects careful ownership and professional workmanship. Finished in white with a blue interior, this Montclair is exceptionally well optioned. Features include power steering, power brakes, power windows, a four-way power seat, heater and defroster, electric clock, front and rear cigarette lighters, rear bumper guards, rear fender skirts, a Canadian Continental kit, and amber road lamps. Recent updates include new carpet, trunk mat, radial whitewall tires, battery, fuel tank, sending unit and power steering assist cylinder. Professionally appraised at $47,900. This Montclair represents strong value. This is an excellent opportunity to own a highly optioned, investment-grade classic Mercury. Number 4. 1960 Ford Pro Street Thunderbird. Price: $39,000. Location: Findlay, Ohio, USA. This 1960 Ford Thunderbird Pro Street build is a bold and aggressive classic that stands apart from ordinary vintage cars. With just 25,922 miles showing, this Thunderbird has been transformed into a serious street machine while retaining its iconic style. Under the hood is a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine, set back to accommodate the oil pan, featuring a camshaft with unknown specs and topped with a 671 blower. Fuel delivery comes from two brand-new AED 750 blower carburetors. Power is sent through a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a 3,200 stall converter to a narrowed, tubbed 9-inch Ford rear end. The car rides on brand-new Mickey Thompson Sportsman rear tires and features new gauges, a custom interior, and fairly new paint that presents well. While the car is not perfect, it runs and drives great and offers a unique presence rarely seen at local car shows. Some finishing work is needed, including front suspension attention and minor interior details. This Thunderbird is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a powerful, eye-catching pro street classic. Number 5. 1978 Lincoln Town Coupe. Price: $2,800. Location: Cleveland, Ohio, USA. This 1978 Lincoln Town Coupe offers classic American luxury at an affordable price. With 138,000 miles and only 2 owners, this Lincoln remains a comfortable and stylish cruiser. Powered by a brand-new 460 big block V8 installed 2 years ago, the car delivers smooth and confident performance. It retains its original interior, including carpet and leather seating, which remain in good condition for their age. The turquoise exterior with red interior provides a bold and classic color combination. The body is in solid condition, and the car has no significant mechanical issues. The only known need is replacement of the brake lines to make the vehicle fully roadworthy again. This Lincoln is perfect for a buyer who appreciates classic luxury cars and wants a comfortable, attention-grabbing ride with minimal investment. Num. 6. 1967 Checker Aero Bus. Checker Convoy. Price: $11,500. Location: Rockdale, Texas, USA. This 1967 Checker Aero Bus is an extremely rare classic limousine, with only 3,568 units ever built. Designed originally for airport shuttles and taxi service, this unique vehicle seats up to 12 passengers and offers unmatched novelty. Powered by a 327 Chevrolet V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, it runs well and has received recent maintenance including a new distributor, plugs, wires, and battery. The exterior has been repainted using oil-based DTM paint, with the roof sealed using Raptor bed liner. The vehicle does require some finishing work, including exhaust repairs, carburetor service, cracked door glass replacement, and interior improvements. Despite these needs, it comes with a clear Texas title and is incredibly hard to find. This Aero Bus would make an unforgettable road trip vehicle or promotional classic. Number 7. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Factory 4-Speed. Price: $74,900. Location: Waveland, Mississippi, USA. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a true SS muscle car featuring a factory 4-speed transmission and extensive documentation. Built in April 1969, this vehicle underwent a frame-off restoration and remains in exceptional condition. Powered by a 438 horsepower Crate 454 V8, it retains numbers-matching components, including the 4-speed transmission and 12-bolt positraction rear end. The car features vintage air conditioning, power disc brakes, power steering, and a Hellwig FX frame upgrade. Additional highlights include a build sheet, warranty card, original owner's manual, high-end paint, and a completely new interior. This Chevelle is both a high-performance driver and a serious collector piece. Number 8. 1949 Willys Overland Jeepster. Price, $24,900. Location, Charlotte, North Carolina, USA. This 1949 Willys Overland Jeepster is a professionally restored classic offered with shipping included within the continental United States. Powered by a rebuilt Go Devil 134 CI 4-cylinder engine and a rebuilt 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, it drives exceptionally well. The interior features reupholstered 2-tone vinyl seating, factory gauges, and a column shift manual. Exterior highlights include stunning Luzon red paint, a new convertible top, wide white-wall tires, chrome bumpers, and a continental rear spare. This Jeepster blends vintage charm with reliable drivability. Number 9. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Price, $15,000. Location, Granite Falls, Washington, USA. This 1979 Pontiac Trans Am is a turnkey driver featuring Hearst T-tops and air conditioning. The car is straight, original, and delivers strong performance with a smooth engine and transmission. Recent service includes transmission maintenance, new shocks, packed wheel bearings, and a brand new set of tires. The interior is original and well preserved. While it has minor cosmetic and mechanical needs, it remains a solid classic muscle car ready to enjoy. Number 10. 1987 Ford Capri 280 Brooklands. Price, $30,000. Location, Crewe, Cheshire, United Kingdom. This 1987 Ford Capri 280 Brooklands is a desirable limited edition classic with 20,750 kilometers. The body is solid with no signs of welding, and the interior is immaculate with no wear or damage. The car runs and drives well with no mechanical issues. Cosmetic improvements could further enhance the paint, but overall condition is strong. This Capri represents an excellent opportunity to own a rare European performance classic.